Come on, I see you. You're playing around. Come on. I dropped the pellet in. Where'd it go? There it is. Come on. Hello, I see you. Come on. Come here. Come on, it's okay. Come on. You can come out. Come on to eat. There you are. Hi. Come out. Come out. Hi, you guys. There's a... Hi, you. Yep. What are you doing? You coming to get something to eat? Come on. Come on. There's some... Oh, there it is. Now it's breaking up. Oh, he can't stand it. He's out. He can't handle it. Look at him. Yummy, yummy, bam. Oh, he's good and healthy. Kabam. You like that, huh? Yeah. There's another piece. Get it. Get him. Yo. Oh, I don't want to scare you with the light. Okay. Don't scare me, he said. What are you doing? Look at Mr. Legs. Where's the blue guy? Where's did he die or something already? The real blue one? Gumby. What happened to him? Where's Gumby? Hey, hi, Hermit Crab. Well, there's a lot of life in there. Look, there's another one in there. Wow. Whoa. Look, he's reaching his hand out to get a piece. I'll hand you one. Hold on with this thing. Where's it at? Come on, hurry up, get some. Come on, hurry up. Grab a piece. What are you doing? There you go. Come on. You better get it, or the other guy picks it all up. Hey, there you are. Yeah.